What up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chucky, also known as CurlyBoyChuck. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, you rock. You guys saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, that's why you clicked on the video. This is all about my hair journey. Going from this to this. How in the world did I do it? Well, I'm gonna tell you in this video. So I can't tell you how many times I received messages on Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, asking me about my hair journey. How in the world did you go from being bald to having long hair? What's your tricks? What are you doing? What kind of witchcraft are you doing over there? And was your hair really bald or were you lying to us? Oh yes, they tried me. So I'm here to confirm that yes, the pictures that I put up prior of my shaved head and my bald head are all real. They are not photoshopped. I really was a baldy for most of my life. In this video, I want to share with you guys my journey. I want to share with you how I went from having bald hair to long hair. How I did it, why I did it, what was the journey like? Was it easy? Was it hard? Did I make mistakes? I'm gonna get all into it in this video. So my hair journey actually starts about 4.5 years ago. So the job that I'm currently in offered me a at-home position. So I was working in the office and then I was offered to work full-time at home. And at the time, my hair was pretty much shave bald. This was back in 2013, maybe around December. And I started working full-time at home 2014. So at this time, my hair was completely short. I would shave it every single month. The reason why I'm telling you guys this story about working from home is because working from home was actually the catalyst that gave me the idea to grow my hair out. So growing up, I always had really short hair. I used to rock a fade back in the day when I was like in junior high school. I used to have a fade. And you know, back then, growing up in New York, back then the style was you would just shave your head around and keep the top up front, make it curly, and you're good to go. And so I had that hairstyle for many, many years. And then around my early 20s is when I started to really change up my hair. And I decided to do what's called a Caesar. And a Caesar haircut is when you shave all your hair off and you just kind of shape it up. And so that's what I would do pretty much every single month. It was just easier for me to do that. I just felt like it was a lot easier to maintain. I didn't really want to maintain my hair unnecessarily so. And I just found that, it was kind of stressful having to go to the barbershop every single month to maintain my hair. And I always was curious, like I wonder how long my hair can possibly grow if I were to just let it grow out. And so fast forward, when I started working from home, I realized I don't really need to maintain my hair as much because I'm not in the office anymore and I'm literally at home. Nobody can really see me. And it really gave me the opportunity to just let my hair grow and see what became of it. Like 2014, I was kind of playing around with it, but then I would chicken out and just shave my hair off because it was just easier to do that. Then 2015 came and it was a new chapter in my life. It was a time for me to kind of start new as an adult and be on my own completely without any assistance financially and just doing it by myself. And so when that time in my life came, I wanted change. And I was tired of cutting my hair at the time. I was tired of being afraid of letting my hair grow. I was very curious at the time. And so 2015 is when I decided, okay, I'm gonna grow my hair out. I don't know what's gonna become of it. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know what type of hair I even have. Is it gonna be manageable? Is it gonna be, a disaster? Who knows? But I'm gonna just, go for it and we'll just see what happens. That was really my mentality. It was really just, just get the process started. Ah, this smells so good. This is the coconut cocoa cream. Smells so good. What I started doing was I just started playing around with like seeing what my hair growth would look like. But I was still kind of nervous to let my hair grow out. And I don't really know why I was nervous. I guess I grew up, growing up in society in general, boys aren't supposed to have long hair. That's just kind of a general rule that I don't know who made up, but it was made up that, long hair is for females and short hair is for boys. And so I think I still had that mentality in my head, even while I was trying to grow my hair out, which is why I kind of did it with one foot in and one foot out. And what I mean by that is, I remember shaving my hair around my head, but letting the top of my hair grow. And I'll show you guys a picture of that as well, so you can see somewhere up here. And to me, that was my way of kind of like testing the waters, let me see what it looks like. Let me see, what the feedback is. Let me see if it's even manageable if I wanted to grow my hair out. I knew that I did, but I kind of was still playing around with the idea. And I liked it. I was like, you know what? I actually like how my hair is growing. I like that it's growing kind of fast. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think my goal was I want to do a man bun. If I could just get my hair long enough to do a man bun, I'll be happy. I don't know why, but that was my like goal. And so I figured Operation Man Bun. By the way, this conditioner has great slip. I'm loving it so far. So this was 2015, and then 2016 came around and my hair started getting longer. And I started noticing that, oh my God, like I'm seeing a curl pattern for the first time. It's starting to grow out for the first time. But here's where I went wrong. I didn't have a strategy. I didn't know what I was gonna do with my hair. I didn't know how to maintain my hair. I didn't know what products to use. I didn't know what were good products, what were bad products. I had no idea what sulfates were. I had no idea what parabens were. I had no idea what silicones were. I didn't know anything. I was completely hair illiterate. So during that time, I was letting my hair grow out, but I was doing all the wrong things. You know, I was using really bad shampoos. I think I was using Head and Shoulders, and then I was using a little bit of Burt's Bees. They had like their hair mask. All of those products are no-goes for curly hair. There's sulfates in them, there's silicones in them, there's parabens. I mean, it was pretty much every bad ingredient you could think of, I probably used. I was using the wrong mousse. I was using gels with so much alcohol in them. And I didn't know. So I thought that I was just, you know, using products and I was just trying it out. Then I got the bright idea to straighten my hair. I was like, I wonder what my hair would look like if it was straight. Right now my hair is kind of long, but it was kind of like ear length at that time. And at the time, I was curious to see how long my hair actually could be. And so I decided I'm gonna straighten my hair. So I got me a straightening iron. I bought, you know, the heat protection sprays and all that good stuff. But again, did not know what I was doing. And I started to notice that my curls weren't popping like they used to at all. And my hair was really dry and frizzy. And I started to realize, oh my God, I think I damaged my hair. And I should not have straightened my hair. I didn't really know what I was doing. And this is around, I wanna say mid 2016. And so I had decided at that point, okay, I'm not straightening my hair anymore. I'm not gonna straighten my hair at all. I'm gonna just leave it alone and see if I can get, you know, my curls popping again and see if I can continue to grow my hair out, because I didn't want to have to cut my hair off since I had just started my journey. My hair was just starting to grow out, and here I am having these issues with frizz and dryness, and my hair was brittle and it was starting to break off. And it was really because I was just didn't know what I was doing. I was using the wrong products, I was straightening my hair too much, and I didn't have any direction. No direction whatsoever. Here's where the game changer came. And I gotta thank my sister for this. This was, I wanna say, January of 2017. My hair was growing out longer, but I didn't really know what to do with it. I wasn't using the right products yet. I was still kind of struggling with what products to use, what products worked for me. Kind of doing some research, but not really knowing much. And my sister one day, I have two sisters, so this is my other sister. She came down from New York and we were chilling one day and she was like, you know what? You have really long hair. I'm using this product that I really like a lot. You should try this product out. It's really good for curly hair. It'll really define your curls. It keeps your hair healthy. It's really simple. I'm gonna get you the information. So I was like, all right, I definitely need it because I don't really know what I'm doing right now. And she ended up hooking me up with a product called Lust, which if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I've raved about Lust so many times and I've orchestrated their products in my routines in past videos because I absolutely love Lust. That's probably one of my favorite go-to products that I always go back to when I want popping curls. And doing Lust and getting on board on the Lust train is what I call it, definitely was a game changer for me, completely. Because for the first time, I saw my hair starting to grow and I saw the potential of my curls. For the first time, I had definition. I never had definition in my curls before. I just thought my hair was just dry and frizzy and that was just my hair type and there was no way of fixing it. I had no idea that with the right products and with the right technique of styling your hair, you could get really bomb results. That was really the beginning of the new chapter of my hair journey. You know, I got rid of all of the bad products that I was using. I got rid of all of the mousses, the gels that had alcohol in them. Any sulfates, any parabens went out the window. And I started to really go on this journey of hair health, hair growth, and just being prosperous with my hair. You know, really taking care of it and treating it the way that it should have been treated way earlier on when I started growing out my hair. And that was a game changer for me. That was literally the game changer. I started getting involved in doing DIY hair masks for myself. I started playing around with different oils. And by the way, I have a series of hair growth that I did which you guys can see somewhere up here. I'm gonna link it. And you know, it's really a hair growth mask treatment for extreme growth that I use that really helped me grow my hair out. So check out that playlist, because all the masks that I've used is in that playlist, and that's kind of my secret weapon of how I grew my hair out. And I did a video, by the way, of the top 5 mistakes that people make on curly hair, and all those mistakes were mistakes that I made myself. So I was really talking about myself in that video and how to fix it. So if you want to check that video out, definitely check it out, because I go into really, you know, deep detail on things that you can do to change your hair routines. That's gonna really make your hair pop, it's going to make your hair grow, and it's gonna help you out. So watch that video, because I promise you it's very informative. I didn't know anything. When I grew my hair out, I did it all wrong because I didn't do any research, and I thought that I could just handle it myself. I don't know why I thought that, but I thought, I got this. And then I quickly realized, I don't got this. I want this to be a channel that encourages you, that motivates you, that makes you feel as though you can grow your hair out too. You can take care of your hair as well. We can take care of our hair together. I don't ever want you to watch my channel and to think, oh, I wish I had his hair. I wish I could do that with my hair. That's not what I want this channel to be. I want this channel to be a source of encouragement for you and determination, you know? I'm telling you, you saw the pictures. You've seen the pictures. I went through a very awkward stage in my hair journey, but I stuck with it. But I'm going to put my hair now in my shower cap and apply some heat to my hair in my heat cap so that we can get this hair nice and moisturized with all the product that's in it. So I'll be right back. And we're back where we started. So I'm all done co-washing, I'm all done deep conditioning. My hair is about 80% dry right now. I'm gonna let it just air dry the rest of the way so I can finish this story time. So just to finish things up, my journey did not start smooth. I didn't do enough research. I didn't come prepared to grow my hair. I had the idea and the hopes, but I didn't have the execution. And so my road was so bumpy when I first started to grow my hair out, because I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, I was doing everything possibly wrong that a person could do. This guy did. And I'm telling you this for this reason. If I could fix the errors of my ways, and I could actually change up my routine and change up my technique and actually see results, then you can too. There's probably a big chance that maybe you're doing something wrong. Maybe you're not deconditioning enough. Maybe you're drying your hair with a cotton towel. Maybe you're not applying leave-ins in your hair. Maybe there's something that's missing within your routine. So I want you just to think about your routine. Think about what it is that you can do better that you're not doing right now. Do your research and then just test things out, you know? Test products out. Maybe a certain product you're using isn't working for you. Maybe you should be using a different product. Don't be afraid to switch up your products, to do cocktails, and to try things out to see what works for you. Everyone's hair is different, and everyone's hair journey is different. And so what works for me may not work for you, and vice versa, and that's okay. The beauty of the hair journey is that you get to figure out what works for you, and then you get to execute it. That's what I did, that's what worked for me, and my tip is that it could work for you as well. You just gotta be persistent. If you guys found value in this video, please do me a huge favor. Rate, comment, and subscribe, because it helps me out so much. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Let's grow together, people. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep it curly and always keep it healthy. Peace.